This video is for foreign executives, entrepreneurs, investors, and wealthy families living in Japan. The key message is simple. Offshore assets are not automatically outside the Japanese tax system. The actual result may depend on your Japanese tax status, the timing of acquisition, how funds move, and whether you have crossed important residence thresholds. The first trap involves non-permanent resident taxation. NPR status can be valuable because certain foreign source income may not be taxed in Japan if it is not paid in or remitted to Japan. The concept of remittance is not limited to a normal bank transfer. If a Japanese liability is ultimately settled using offshore funds, the tax treatment should be carefully reviewed. The actual flow of funds matters. In practice, the remittance issue often appears through a sequence of transactions. First, there is spending or borrowing in Japan. Second, offshore funds are used to settle the obligation. Third, the transaction must be analyzed under Japan's remittance rules. This does not mean every credit card payment is automatically taxable. It means wealthy NPRs should review the entire payment flow before assuming the income remains outside Japan. The third trap begins after the NPR period. A Japanese resident other than an NPR may need to file an overseas asset report if overseas assets exceed 50 million yen as of December 31st. This threshold can be reached quickly by a wealthy person with foreign bank accounts, securities, overseas real estate, or foreign company interests. Failure to comply can increase penalties, and serious cases can create criminal exposure. The real danger is that these rules interact. A person may move to Japan, qualify as an NPR, continue buying and selling foreign investments, use offshore funds to support life in Japan, and eventually leave the NPR regime. A strategy that works in year 1 may be inappropriate in year 6. The right time to review the position is before major transactions, not during an audit. If you are a foreign executive, entrepreneur, investor, or high net worth individual living in Japan and hold significant overseas assets, consider requesting a confidential Japan cross-border tax review. Our Shibuya-based international tax practice advises foreign individuals and business owners on Japanese tax residency, NPR taxation, overseas investments, inheritance tax, foreign companies, and cross-border tax planning.